Alright, so we got the X-Force HT400. Second time in here. It burned up the pills. Transistors first time. Either from being driven too hard or something else. You'll see there's a prior video. That was the original time I rebuilt it. I found all the metal shavings. We got another set of transistors. So we're gonna redo this. We're gonna completely redo this. We are gonna actually pull these pads. We're gonna etch the board. I'm gonna do it my way. No offense to X-Force or any of the other builders, but the pads, basically these amps are just pretty much double-sided sticky tape down. The only thing holding it together is basically the components. That's it. That's the only thing holding it is components. So we're pulling everything down. We're gonna rebuild it, man. We're gonna take it down flat board here. We're gonna etch it all out and get it to what it needs to be, man. We're gonna build it KW style. So it'll be interesting to watch this thing literally come apart. See, there's nothing really holding that. The only thing that was holding that down is the transistors and the bias resistors. Not to mention the back side, if it drops down too far. I'll show you. It's kind of hard to see, but down in here, see that space? This is ground here. This is all hot with RF. Yeah, this side's hot with RF. This side's hot with DC voltage, 12 volts. But yeah, if you notice that, see, it can flex. Don't like it. Don't like it. Here's what we're gonna do.
Well done, Marco. You're slower than the rabbit. You run faster than the turtle. The rabbit runs very, very fast. The turtle runs very, very slow. The rabbit runs fast. The turtle runs very, very slow. All right, Marco. Don't forget that you
And watch this whole thing come apart. It's going to be amazing. Literally, all this is going to lift right off the board. They design these so that way it can be put together mass production. That's not just X-Force. It's all of them. All the ant builders. Every one of them. Because they're so big, man, they can't spend the time. They can't spend the time to build these the way it really truthfully should be done. They just don't have the time. They got so many of them they got to put out that they have to do it quick. You know? That's the quickest way. You can probably put one of these together in probably about a half hour, if that. Ultimately. Screws away. Let go. There's still solder on that one. Look at that. Do you see that? You see how that? Nothing. Nothing holding that down. It's just laying there. Basically all the components are holding that together. That's a lot of stress on that. Solder and components aren't made for holding parts together on the board. What a amazing things you find down in these when no. So yeah, now is going to be the job of cleaning all this up, tracing it all out, etching the board, putting new transistors in, rewinding the transformers, basically retuning it and getting it back on the air. So I'll be back with another video. You guys have a fine one. I'm out of here.